What if the house your client wants isn't exactly the house they want? What if they need to sell their home before they can buy another one? Maybe buying a home isn't the strategy, it's building one. Well, those are exactly the kind of problems we solve here at Planet Home Lending. Hi, I'm John Adams, and that's what we specialize in. This isn't going to be a boring 3-hour class with slides. This is going to be actual practical help and case study based on real clients that we've helped in the past. And it's going to be 30 minutes of action-packed information that's going to help you and your clients. If you're a realtor, this is going to show you practical ways that we can help you through that application. If you're a home buyer and you're looking maybe to buy or construct a home, or even curious about renovation finance, this is for you. Also, you may be at a different company. You may be a loan officer. You may be just confused or curious about renovation, construction, or perm, or just what we're doing here at Planet Home Lending. I invite any of those folks out to come see us. Come see us in an action-packed class that will answer questions about these more complex programs that people just don't know about. We hope to see you there. Click on the information link below and register. We hope to see you there, and hopefully we can fix a couple of deals along the way.